spots, blemishes, scars, acne scars, scratches, scrapes, you name it. Do you have any of these things going on your skin? Well, guess what? If you are having a lot of spots and blemishes on the skin, an old scar that you want to get rid of really fast, guess what? Today I have a wonderful remedy for you. This remedy have a base ingredient of ginger. It is a ginger cream for getting rid of spots and blemishes. So if you're interested in today's video, continue watching. So we're making ginger cream, and here I have fresh ginger. You want to make sure to have hard, firm ginger. If the ginger is too soft, it's no good. Make sure when you're buying ginger, when you squeeze it, it bounces right back really hard. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the ginger. You can choose to grate the ginger, or you can choose to blend the ginger. Today I'm going to be blending the ginger. So I just washed my ginger, and now I'm going to peel the ginger. Take a look. Fresh ginger. Now you need about 2 ounces of ginger. So just peel your ginger. Now I like to buy ginger when it is in season. And what I do, I peel the ginger, or sometimes I just scrape the ginger and I put it in the freezer. That way I can have fresh ginger year round. Ginger do very well when you freeze it. Now here we have our peeled ginger. At this stage, if you're gonna grate the ginger, go ahead and grate it. If you're gonna blend, give it a chop, since ginger tend to be a little hard, okay? So I'm just gonna chop my ginger. Now here I have the chopped ginger, and I'm gonna place it in the blender. Now do not add any water to the blender. Just blend the ginger as is on high speed. Now here we have the blended ginger, and now I'm gonna strain, since I'm only using the juice from the ginger. Now, even though I'm straining the ginger with a strainer, I'm going to put a piece of a mesh cloth over, because I do not want any of the ginger crumbs to get in the cream. So if you have cheesecloth, use it to strain the ginger instead of the strainer. So I'm just going to make my own thing right here. And that's good. Just dump that in. And now I'm going to strain. So I'm just going to fold this up and just press. Just press the cloth in the strainer. And here I have my fresh ginger juice. Now our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera, don't be afraid to use a fresh aloe vera gel. However, for facial creams, I prefer to use the store-bought aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be using the aloe vera gel in this recipe. Aloe vera gel is great for getting rid of spots and blemishes from the skin. The next ingredient is coconut oil. When you're looking to get coconut oil, make sure to get raw coconut oil. You do not need your coconut oil with a lot of preservative in it, okay? So read the label. Now for our ginger cream, I'm also going to be using some castor oil in this recipe. This is also going to work wonders in getting rid of the spots and blemishes from the skin. Now, if you do not have castor oil, go ahead and use some vitamin E oil in this recipe. Now, let's put this together. So I'm going to be using one tablespoon of our ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of our aloe vera gel, and I'm officially out of aloe vera gel. Gonna add that in the cream. We're using a half of a teaspoon, 2.5 ml of castor oil. If you have black castor oil, that's also good. This is the clear one. And I'm using 1 tablespoon, 15 ml of coconut oil. Just pour that in. And take a look at this. This is the mixture. Now guys, you can choose to whisk this with a fork like I'm doing here, or you can choose to blend it. I personally prefer to blend, so I'm going to put this back in the blender and blend. So we're pouring this in. Cover. If you have vegetable glycerine, you could put a little bit in this for a longer shelf life. Let's open this, and let's open, and here it is. This is our ginger cream for getting rid of spots and blemishes. Now to store this, you want to store this in a clean container, and let's pour this in. And here it is, guys. This is your ginger aloe vera spot remover cream, which is great for getting rid of scars, acne scars, blemishes from your skin, scrapes and scratches, you name it. Any form of a hyperpigmentation on your skin, this ginger aloe vera will work wonders. Just apply this on your skin at night, and in no time, within 7 days, you're going to notice a huge difference to your skin. Your skin scars and blemishes is gonna slowly fade away, and before you know it, you're on your way to clean, clear, bright and radiant looking skin. So I'm gonna go on the other side, and I'm just gonna show you how to use this on your skin overnight for best result. And let's drain what is left. Now here we have the spot remover cream, and this is best used at night. So you want to wash your face, make sure to use this on clean skin. Now if you have spots like, all over the face, you want to use this all over your face. If you just have spot here and there, then you could spot treat the area. So you're going to take a little of the cream, and I like just to pour a bit in my hands like this. And if you're spot treating, just take up a little bit and put it wherever you are trying to get rid of the spots and blemishes from. Now, just spot treat the area, leave it on overnight, and then rinse in the morning. Now remember, this cream can be used over the entire body. If you have like eczema and all kind of spots and blemishes on the skin, just use this over your body at night, rinse in the morning. Now you're just doing your face, just rub it in your hands like I'm showing here, and just use it on the skin just like you use any other facial cream. It have a very pleasant smell, more of a ginger aroma to it, and that is good. So just rub the treatment on your skin. Now if you're looking for clear skin and you're looking for fast result, this cream is wonderful to use. Now the bonus with this cream is that it is also great if you're looking to get rid of dark under eyes circles. So when you're using, and it's not gonna burn your eyes, okay? The ginger is not strong enough to cause you to get teary eyes. So just dab it under your eyes like I'm showing here, and use it on your face, on your body, on your hands. If you're looking to have younger looking hands, just use this dark spot ginger treatment wherever you choose on your body. Like I said, it's a little bit on the greasy side, so it's best to use overnight. Okay, give it a try and then come back and share your results with us. Okay, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and guys, leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this is the first time watching, you want to see more of these videos, well, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Hi, guys.